Now that AI innovation seems to know no bounds, Google has once again positioned itself at the forefront and launched a super cool AI tool named GEMMA, which stands for a bunch of new AI models. These aren't just any models, but a new suite of AI models set to revolutionize the way developers and researchers approach machine learning, i.e., they're game changers for people who build software and do research. Google, a name synonymous with cutting-edge technology, has always been a big player in creating smart technology and has been the brain behind some of the most advanced AI innovations to date. Remember things like Transformers, TensorFlow, BERT, T5, Jack, AlphaFold, and AlphaCode? Well, GEMMA is the latest addition to this impressive list. Google aims to democratize AI technology, making it accessible, responsible, and fair for everyone. So, GEMMA is all about offering top-notch AI tools that anyone can use, and Google wants to do it the right way. They're focusing on making AI safe and fair for everyone. That's a big deal because it means better and more responsible AI technology is on the way. GEMMA is part of Google's big effort to make AI accessible to more people. GEMMA is derived from the Latin word for precious stone, which signifies the invaluable contribution it's expected to make to the AI community. It's based on the same smart stuff that made the Gemini models. Google's saying, hey, we've got something valuable here, which is why they named it GEMMA. It's like a precious gem for the AI world. It's developed by the collaborative effort of Google DeepMind and various other teams in Google Groups. What's really cool about GEMMA is that its model weights come in two versions, GEMMA 2B and GEMMA 7B. These versions have been trained really well to meet the highest performance standards and perform at the top of their game. This means it works quicker and doesn't need as much computer power, which is perfect for laptops and smartphones. Now, the difference between the two models is that the 2B model thrives in settings where resources are limited, such as in central processing units, CPUs, and on smartphones. You can just picture the 2B model as the quick and smart student in class who does really well, even with just a few books and resources. It's made to work great on regular computers and smartphones because it doesn't need a lot of memory, just about 1.5 GB, which is roughly the same amount of space a couple of movies might take up on your phone. This model is super fast at figuring things out, making it perfect for jobs like figuring out what category a piece of writing falls into or answering easy questions. It's like having a helpful assistant on your phone or computer that doesn't slow things down. Meanwhile, the 7B version finds the sweet spot between robust performance and smart use of resources. The 7B model is like the all-rounder athlete who's really good at several sports. It strikes a perfect balance between being powerful and not using up too much energy or resources. This model is best used with consumer-level graphics processing units, GPUs, and tensor processing units, TPUs. It works best with the kind of graphics and processing units found in many family computers and tablets. It needs a bit more memory, about 5 GB, which is like the space 5 movies might take up, to do its job. With this extra space, the 7B can take on tougher tasks, like summarizing big articles or creating computer code. It's a bit like having a smarter assistant that can handle more complex questions and tasks, making it ideal for when you need a bit more help without needing the biggest, most expensive computer out there. Alongside GEMMA, Google also introduces a responsible generative AI toolkit, emphasizing the company's commitment to ethical AI development. To simply put, Google's also rolling out a toolkit to make sure people use AI in a good way. This toolkit serves as the cornerstone of GEMMA's ecosystem, providing essential guidance for creating AI applications that are safe, ethical, and aligned with societal norms. This toolkit helps anyone creating AI apps to keep things safe and ethical. Another highlight of GEMMA is that it's super versatile. It works with all the big AI development tools like JAX, PyTorch, and TensorFlow via the native Cyrus 3.0 interface. This means developers can use GEMMA with the tools they already like using, making their work easier and more efficient. So, With GEMMA, developers have the freedom to build AI stuff with whatever tools they have. You can make GEMMA models your own by teaching them with your data. This way, they can get really good at doing specific things you want, like making summaries or finding and adding info to answers. That's what retrieval augmented generation means. GEMMA works with lots of different tools and systems, making it super flexible. GEMMA models can be used on almost any device you have, from laptops and desktops to things like smart home gadgets, phones, and even on big computer systems in the cloud. This means you can have smart AI help no matter where you are or what gadget you're using. Google teamed up with NVIDIA, a big name in gaming and computer graphics, to make GEMMA work amazingly well on NVIDIA's super-fast graphics cards. Whether you're working on a big server, in the cloud, or on a high-tech gaming PC, GEMMA is designed to be super quick and efficient. If you're using Google Cloud for your projects, GEMMA fits right in. There's a tool called Vertex AI that helps manage your AI projects easily, with lots of ways to make your models better and even put them into use with just a click. Plus, if you want to get really fancy, you can manage everything yourself to make sure it's as cost-effective as possible, whether you're using graphics cards, Google's own TPUs, another kind of super-fast processor, or regular computer chips. Google gives away credits that you can use for research and developing your ideas, which is like getting free money to help make your AI projects come to life. In simple terms, GEMMA is super adaptable and works with the tools and devices you already like using, and Google even offers free support to help you bring your smart ideas to life. Getting started with GEMMA is super easy. Google has gone to great lengths to ensure that starting with GEMMA is as straightforward as possible. Google provides everything you need, like ready-to-use notebooks for Colab and Kaggle, along with integration with popular development platforms and tools. They want to make sure that anyone interested in AI can jump right in without barriers or hitting a bunch of roadblocks to entry for AI model development. But it's not all about making powerful tools. Google cares a lot about using AI the right way. The model includes toolchains for inference and supervised fine-tuning, guiding developers in creating applications that are not only powerful, but also safe and ethical. They've included guides and tools for making AI applications safe and ethical. They've set up the terms for using GEMMA so that it's fair and can be used and distributed, responsibly empowering organizations of all sizes. Responsibly by businesses of all sizes. As for the payment for using GEMMA, it's available on Kaggle for free. You can use it on Colab notebooks at no cost, and if you're new to using Google Cloud, they give you $300 to use there. Plus, if you're working on big projects and need more help, you can ask Google for even more credits, up to 500 Czechsen, to make your projects fly. For developers, GEMMA is like a treasure trove. It offers the flexibility to work on AI projects, big and small, whether on a laptop or in the cloud. GEMMA provides the flexibility and tools necessary to bring AI ideas to life. Moreover, because GEMMA is designed to be efficient, you don't need a supercomputer to do amazing things with AI. Google's introduction of GEMMA is more than just the release of a new set of AI models. It's an invitation to the global AI community to engage with cutting-edge technology responsibly and innovatively. With free access to GEMMA through platforms like Kaggle and Colab, plus Google Cloud credits for projects, research, and development, Google is nurturing the growth of AI talent worldwide. This shows Google believes AI has the potential to drive positive societal change and is committed to helping the AI community grow. GEMMA is Google's way of making advanced AI tools more accessible and guiding their use towards positive outcomes. It's about pushing the limits of AI in a way that's beneficial for everyone. As people start using GEMMA, we're entering an exciting new chapter in AI development, full of possibilities and challenges. That's all for today's video. If you found it interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share so we can keep making content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.